See, what were you thinking with those strippers?
Man, those Morning Star bitches had me locked up for so long. How was I supposed to know?
You have to be more careful.
And make them pay.
Got an idea for that?
Oh, indeed I
Do tell.
do. How about meeting up and I'll explain.
I need to bring anything?
Not a goddamn thing.
And while no group has taken credit for the attack in Stillwater, we have ignored its root cause. Our uncontrolled media and the good soul to our children have fetishized gang culture and turned sociopathic madmen into heroes. No more! Those responsible for this act of terror will be found and held accountable. The Stag Initiative marks a milestone in taking back the streets of America.
The hell is the Stag Initiative?
If it's free porn for everyone, I am down.
So what's the lead?
Oh, I got you hooked up, Slim.
Very discreet.
That's an invitation to kick the Morning Star right in their collective pussy. They having an auction tonight. Flash the card. You're in.
So what, I pretend to be an eccentric millionaire?
Kinda. I'm gonna auction you off as a sex slave.
Fuck that.
Oh, quit being a bitch and get in the van.
Where'd we get the new girls? Ain't my fault if the girls don't perform.
Long as we get paid, don't care who runs it. Here's your guns back. Where am I supposed to keep it? That's on you to figure out, baby. I would rather not know. We'll have to shut down security. Should be up ahead. 5, 7, just shut up, those alarms. Damn things are still going. We'll have to go down and find the security room.
Oh man, what's that noise? See, they've more of this stuff, right? I say, lose a fight. Not bloody likely. Oh, so this is what it's like to be Sean D. Whoa, what was that color? Pierce has got to try this.
Where'd you get off to?
Nothing to it.
this naked thing better than I thought you would.
I'm naked?
Shit, we can leave them like this. I say we let them out.
Fuck it. I'll just start pushing these. Come on, everyone out.
We don't mess around.
Oh, they just didn't have it.
More to let out. Get on that.
You know you never get me like this again.
To be honest, I didn't think it'd work the first time.
Nobody hits me.
The holes are going to slaughter us!
Yeah, I'm a badass.
Yes, you die. I wanna see death on your
Oh, we're out the dolls and let's keep moving.
This isn't happening!
I best stay on your good side.
Fuck it. I'll just start pushing these. You don't want to stay here. Move it.
Time to go after the head of security. Only.
Only what? Just couldn't handle us.
Glad you called. If you're gonna be taking on the luchadors, you need to be ready.
I'm always ready for a fight.
I'll be the judge of that.
Think I can handle myself?
Come to my gym, and we'll see.
Whoa! God damn. Why are you living this shithole?
To remind me of what Killbane took from me. It keeps me focused.
Whatever works for you, man. I'm just saying. I like my place to have working heat.
So you hate discomfort. That's the sort of weakness the luchadors will capitalize on. Unless you harden up, Killbane will crush you. But don't worry, I'll chisel you out of diamond.
How?
By making you experience the worst pain imaginable. Now come on. It's time for you to play in traffic.
Wait on, wait, what?
Is only the beginning. You ready for the next test?
Ready is an interesting term.
I want you to go out and experience the heat that a fight with Killbane would bring.
Can't we do this metaphorically?
No.
That was no fluke.
Are you ready for the last test?
You have a funny definition of training, Angel.
There's a car waiting for you. Head to it.
I've already played in traffic, remember?
This time, all I want you to do is drive around.
That's it? What's that gonna teach me?
To master your fear.
And there should be no problem. You put a bloody tiger in my car. It's time for a little chat with Angel. Hope they're getting your good side. Don't you dare come any closer! Who tipped these blokes off? Is Angel trying to open a bloody circus? I'll shove that camera up your ass. Oh, I can gut Angel when I see him. I'm fucking unbeatable.
Bring some glass. The blood.
Well, aren't you a nice kitty?
John, here on the blood, and I'd like to introduce you to
I love a good
Scrappy
fight.
Young Lad.
Fight me and I'll have your hide. Get off me, you sodding beast! Maybe Angel's smarter than I think. Angel, where are you?
I see you made it to the final test.
Answer my question.
At the gym, training.
Don't move. A fucking tiger?
If you're fighting the luchadors, you need to be ready for anything.
A fucking tiger?
Don't lose the message in the method. You mastered your fear.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
You're ready to face Killbane, but the luchadors must still be dealt with. You know where to find me if you need more training.
Checking up on me.
We need to keep pressure on the Morning Star, Simos.
And let's hit them directly. I know a few places we could start.
All right, I'll head to you. Wait, hold on a moment, see?
If you want to hurt the Morning Star, they have a shipment of girls coming in soon. I've sent you the boat information. If you...
Hold on, who is this?
Viola DeWinter.
You were with Loren on the plane. Don't you run Morning Star now?
I did.
Did?
I don't have much time. Take the information or leave it, but I'm trying to help you.
And I should jump because you say so.
You should jump because it helps the Saints.
Simos, get Pierce. Change your plans.
And when Shondi brings in an old friend,
Hey, motherfuckers, let's see what I'm dealing with.
he doesn't like what he sees.
So what do you think, Pierce?
Girl, these guys are straight up tools.
Betrayal.
Threw me under the bus, dude.
Loud the pussy on that thing.
And once it's ours, the Morning Star sex operation is done.
How you gonna move all the bitches?
Nah, just let me worry about that. Now let's go. I want to meet my new employees. These girls gonna try to kill us too.
See, you had to bring that up again.
I've got PTSD, Pierce.
You taking your time getting there.
Get to drive instead.
Hey, just checking, baby. Once you find a girl, send them to me. I'll keep them safe.
Oh, I have no doubts. No such thing as too many bullets. Sure could use this.
Thank you, kind stranger.
Stay close to the bloke with a large Z.
That was smooth. Come on, baby, follow the Z.
What the hell? Good to be back in action. Are you kidding me?
Need cover. I better stay on your good side.
Oh, I don't even want to know.
I was a prisoner so long.
Go with the old man!
I'll keep you safe, sugar.
Quite the kinky fellows, aren't they? He's blocking the way! No! No such thing as too many bullets. I've still got it. Sure could use this.
I'm actually free.
Stay close to the bloke with a large Z.
Come on, baby, follow the Z.
What the hell? Are you kidding me?
You could have. That was smooth.
Go with the old man!
I'll keep you safe, sugar.
I'm a badass.
Let us out, please.
Oh, I don't even want to know. Quite the kinky fellows, aren't they? He's blocking the way! I could do this all day. How many bloody crates are there? There we go.
I'm so glad I'm out.
Stick close and you'll be fine.
Damn, ain't you a fine little thing?
Well, this is a nice surprise.
We better load these bitches up before your boy gets here.
Everyone, in the crates!
I've been in there so long already. One day I'll be free.
They're coming for the boat.
I hear them.
Think I saw some big firepower laying on those platforms on the sides.
I ain't getting too close until it's clear down there.
That's all sorted.
Looks like these bitches got through.
Fantastic, I'm coming.
Baby, this will all be over soon.
I'm almost there. Hold them off while I'm coming in.
On it.
Think they ain't happy with us?
I really couldn't care.
So which one of you needs a lot to cry?
I always come out on top.
Don't mess around.
Deep breath, Pierce. We're clear.
Let's load these hoes up there and get the hell out of here.
They knew we were coming.
Morning Star always protect their shipment. It ain't nothing new.
With the goddamn army?
Like I always say, Bush is big business in this town. There's a hell of time to go.
rockets!
You got it. Shit! Are those rockets? Get them off me!
Relax.
I'm feeling the hit there. Another group down there.
I see them.
Why are they aiming at us?
Because we're not dead! Keep it steady! To the left, Pierce, to the left!
Are those APCs?
I'll take care of them.
Jesus! They're all over the damn room!
Got it.
A little more cover be nice. You have something that belongs to me.
Who is this?
Someone who's willing to bargain. Bring the girls back to the Morning Star and I'll pay you top dollar a head.
What's the catch?
That's all I'm asking.
What was that about?
The Morning Star wants to repurchase our little tarts.
I can't do my thing if I got no pussy to sell. The money won't come quick, but you bet it'll come.
You talk a good game. Now back it up. Don't make me regret this. That's what happens when you fire Saint.
What the hell were you thinking, Maddie?
It just seemed like a waste to lose all those girls.
I am the general. I'm the czar. I'm the walking apocalypse. And I make the decisions, not you!
My bad, mate. So what happens now?
Ah, we buckle down! We focus. We don't do a run-in, we hit him with a Montreal screw drop. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Now listen up.
My esteemed colleagues, the time is now. We have deployed Stag to Steelport.